So I have the Samsung Galaxy S23, and I'll be showing you how to solve this problem where you keep getting this error telling you to restart your phone. A USB storage device was removed unsafely. To prevent your phone from restarting unexpectedly, save unsaved data and restart now. Now, the reason you're getting this error message is because you're pulling out USB storage devices, whether it's a flash disk or an external hard disk like this one. You're pulling it out without safely unmounting or safely ejecting, okay? And that might cause problems on your phone, and that's why your phone is notifying you that you removed unsafely. So how do you remove USB storage devices safely? So let me, for instance, plug in this external hard drive. Let me just plug it into the phone. Give it a few seconds to register. So if I want to eject this from the phone, or I want to disconnect from the phone, it could be this or a flash disk. The first thing I need to do is go into files. So go to my files, and then under my files, go to find the USB storage device. Now I have two because this is a partitioned hard disk. Now what you need to do is go to the right hand side and tap on the three dots and then select unmount. Okay, and since I have two because this is partitioned, I can do the same for both. And now that my USB storage is unmounted, I can now physically pull it out of the phone. Okay, and that's how to sort out that problem if you keep getting that error message telling you that a USB storage device was removed unsafely. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.